The animated doctor. Hello everyone and welcome. I've got some important news to share. The Nigerian government has issued a fresh alert regarding a potential outbreak of anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial disease that affects both humans and animals. It's crucial to stay informed and to take necessary precautions to protect ourselves from this disease. So let's dive in and learn more about this situation. In a recent statement by the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, FMARD, the Nigerian government confirmed the presence of anthrax within the West African sub-region. Specifically, the disease has been identified in northern Ghana. It's also been identified near the borders of Burkina Faso and Togo. Now, this news raises concerns about the safety of certain food items and calls for some extra caution. Watch what you eat. The FMARD advises Nigerians to avoid consuming hide known as Ponmo, smoked meat and bush meat as a preventive measure to limit the spread of anthrax. While it might be disappointing for fans of these delicacies, especially Ponmo, it's essential to make our health and well-being a priority. Let's talk about anthrax. What exactly is anthrax? Anthrax is a bacterial infection that commonly affects animals but can also be transmitted to humans. The anthrax spores naturally occur in the soil and can infect animals or contaminate animal products. So, it's worth noting that anthrax is not a contagious disease, meaning you won't catch it from another person. However, if you have contact with infected animals or contaminated products, you can become infected with anthrax. What are the symptoms of anthrax? The symptoms of anthrax are similar to those of the flu, including cough, fever, and muscle aches. If left untreated, it can progress to more severe conditions such as pneumonia, breathing difficulties, and even death. It's therefore important to be aware of the symptoms and seek medical attention promptly if you experience them after potential exposure to anthrax. Here are some of the precautions that can be taken. So, to protect yourself and your loved ones, it's wise to exercise caution. Avoid consuming Ponmo, smoked meat, and bush meat until the situation is under control. Furthermore, remember that thoroughly cooking meat can help eliminate the risk of anthrax. If you suspect any symptoms or have concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals for guidance and assistance. Vaccination. The FMARD emphasizes the importance of annual vaccinations against anthrax for animals. There is an agency located in Vom Plateau State. It's called the National Veterinary Research Institute, and this agency offers vaccinations that are crucial in preventing the spread of the disease. So while infected animals cannot be vaccinated, it's essential to prioritize and intensify the vaccination of animals at risk, especially in border states like Sokoto, Kebbi, Niger, Kwara, Oyo, Ogun, and Lagos due to their proximity to Burkina Faso, Togo, and Ghana. Other states of the Federation should also take note and be on the lookout. The ministry emphasizes proper disposal of infected dead animals by burying them deeply in the soil. Also, the equipment used in the burial should be buried after applying chemicals that can kill the anthrax spores. The Nigerian government has assured Nigerians that they are taking this matter seriously. A standing committee on the control of anthrax has been set up within the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. This committee is working alongside various institutions and collaborators to control the outbreak and ensure our safety. So, stay calm and stay vigilant. News like this can be unsettling, but it's important to remain calm and vigilant. The government's efforts, in combination with our cooperation and awareness, will help minimize the impact of this anthrax outbreak. Keep an eye out for updates from authorities and follow their recommendations to protect yourself, your family, and your community. I will leave the social media handles of some of the government agencies you can follow for more updates on this development. In conclusion, as Nigerians, it's crucial to stay informed and take necessary precautions in times like this. By avoiding certain food items, being aware of the symptoms, and by seeking prompt medical assistance if needed, we can play a part in combating the potential spread of anthrax. So let's make our health and well-being a priority, and together we will overcome this challenge. Stay safe, stay informed, and take care. Thank you for listening to this episode of The Animated Doctor, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you, and bye-bye.